In this video, we will introduce you to a manufacturing solution for the soft machining of rotor shafts. The part is completely machined in 4 turning operations, 1 gear cutting operation, 1 induction hardening system, and 1 assembly station. First, workpiece carriers are loaded with the raw parts, then the green turning OP10, OP20 is performed on 2 VTC 200s. These 4-axis machines are perfect for shaft machining and allow for the highly efficient turning of both the inner and outer contour. The part then goes through the blow-off and measuring processes, followed by an internal gear cutting process OP30 by forming. In OP40, the shaft bearing seats are hardened on a Mind L1000 by EMAG LDEC using induction heating. The integration and process design of all machines is carried out completely by EMAG systems. In OP50, a new EMAG innovation is used, a VTC 200 CD vertical turning machine for shafts with a center drive. This system makes the 4-axis internal machining of a rotor shaft in a single setup possible. In OP60, the drilling of the coolant outlet is completed on another machine from the VT series, on which drilling operations can also be done. Both processes, OP50 and OP60, are performed in parallel on 2 machines in order to increase output quantities. The rotor shaft then once again goes through the blow-off process, is measured, and the good parts are marked with a DMC. In OP70, a sleeve and a cover are pressed onto the rotor shaft. Later, these will serve as an attachment point for the laminated core and other components. In OP80, the collar and bearing seats of the rotor shaft are turned. Again, the 4-axis principle of the VT machine comes in handy. Blowing off, measuring and stacking of the rotor shafts in stacking baskets complete the line. This guarantees the highest quality part, and if additional processes are necessary, ensures the rotor shaft is ready.